is awesome, guys. We were just talking about Game of Thrones premiere. Thanks, Urban Decay. Hey everyone, it's me, Anne of Oh My Posh, and I just got home today from my lunch date with one of my girlfriends. And as soon as I got home, I saw an amazing PR package. And I opened it and I was so excited to share it to you guys. So the package is not like even an hour old in our home, when it's delivered. But I just would love to share it with you. Well, some of my friends already know that I'm a die-hard fan of Game of Thrones. And speaking of which, we're going to Bellagio anytime soon because of the fountain. So stay tuned on that. I know there are some Las Vegas people who already record it, but I would love to review it on my own and record it as well. But anyway, okay, let's begin this one. So the PR package, it came from one of my should I say most favorite makeup brand. It's Urban Decay, and they collaborated with Game of Thrones. So I got this box, and I was able to open it already. And it comes with this. Look at that, amazing! Game of Thrones, Urban Decay. Look at that look. Beautiful. I wonder if I'm gonna look like Khaleesi after I use the makeup, but this is so amazing. See that? Beautiful, right? And more of this. Okay. I'm just so happy. Okay, this is the box. Look at that. It's a Game of Thrones Urban Decay. I wish it's so posh, but I just wish they made it like smooth. I mean this one, because it's like a metallic thing over, like in the plastic. But I would love this, like be my mouse pad. Oh, it's like a plastic. Beautiful. See that? Oh my lord. I'm so happy. I'm gonna cry. It feels like I already have shots now. Just kidding. But yes, okay. That's the cover of the box. I think this is the palette. We're gonna open this together, okay? Look at that. And it's heavy. But look at this. Okay, it won't, because it's so heavy. It's full of makeup, but yeah. Look at that. Oh my lord. So, would you like to join me as I open this one? I feel like I won an award or something, but this is the best package ever. But I don't know how to open it. It is like that. Ooh. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So yay for this one. I wish I can read that to you. But I'm gonna take a photo of this to show you guys. Oh my gosh. It came from Khaleesi. I call her Khaleesi for some reason. Oh my lord. Look at this. Oh my lord. Is it how it is? But yeah. Oh, beautiful. Oh my lord. Can show you guys. So beautiful. Yeah.